Democrats claim Colorado Representative Mike Coffman is a hypocrite. They say Coffman's recent comments about immigration show he supports separating families at the border and doesn't support dreamers.
But our political specialist Sean Boyd has that audio tape. Sean, this tape has created quite the uproar.
Yeah, if only it were as incriminating as Coffman's opponents would have you believe. Congressman Mike Coffman has broken ranks with Republican leadership on immigration, leading the fight for dreamers and calling the president's border policy a human rights disaster. But his opponents insist that's not who he is behind closed doors. They're out for blood.
Mr. Coffman, you're a fake moderate on immigration.
A damning claim, if true. The basis for it, an audio tape of Congressman Mike Coffman at a fundraiser.
I think we have to, and I know we have to transition to zero tolerance.
This opponent's claim proves Coffman is in favor of separating families at the border. That's false. Coffman went to the border, spoke out, and pushed for reunification. He's consistently said we need to transition to zero tolerance after reforming the system for those here now. Here's the rest of what he said.
For the adults who have been here, who have violated immigration law but not other laws, what I say to them, give them an opportunity to come out of the shadows and give them something akin to a work visa. For the children that were taken here illegally, I feel a little different about them. I think they should have an earned path to permanent legal residency and an earned path to citizenship.
Critics also seized on this.
So the president has four pillars. One is he probably has a more generous plan for DACA than I would.
DACA, the program that protects dreamers from deportation. Here's what you need to know. 800,000 dreamers are enrolled in DACA. The president's plan gave protection to 1 million more not enrolled. That's what Coffman says he meant by more generous. Still, while he's sponsored bills protecting the 800,000, he's also voted for bills protecting the 1.8 million.
Now, bottom line, Coffman's district is the most diverse in the state, and one of his most powerful blocks of support is immigrant communities, which is why his opponents are trying to muddy the waters and distort his record. If they can't cut into his support with these immigrant communities, they can't beat him. I will tell you, this is just the beginning. This will be one ugly race, always is, in Congressional District 6.
There's been a lot of recordings in the news recently, hasn't there? Right? Thanks, Sean.